Ladies over 40 with low iron, come let's make some carrot and beetroot juice together. This will help to boost your iron. Yes, my ferritin has been 7. I've recently done 2 iron infusions. I'll tell you about the second one in another video. But as you saw my first video, it went well. So I'm trying to maintain my levels. I haven't rechecked my blood work as yet. But for now, I'm trying to maintain the levels now that I'm having more energy and feeling a bit better. So when you see those beetroot on sale, you better pick up your bag, grab it real fast. I got this big 10-pound bag for $1.99 at where was it? No Frills the other day. And usually I do carrot, beetroot, ginger, and lemon. Now that I have everything all set out, I'm gonna peel my carrot, my beetroot, and also my ginger and my lemon. Then I'm going to cut them up so that I just throw them into my juicer. And this does the job really good. This juicer, I bought it from Amazon. I know persons have asked previously in other videos. So let's start juicing. So here we go, starting to juice. And usually I do the carrot and the beetroot first, most of it first, because I'm going to tell you what to do with those trash. No, but I throw it out, no dash it away. I'm going to tell you in another video, so make sure you're following so that you will see what I'm doing with this trash, which I'm going to put it in my freezer. And when those kids and my husband request something sweet, I just defrost it and I make something really yummy. So we're getting not only the rich nutrients from the juice, but we're also getting the fiber from the trash. We'll put everything to good use. Now, I did 6 bottles. Usually, I know the exact amount that I usually get from this portion. So, usually, these 6 bottles will last me throughout the week. And this will also regulate my heavy cycle because of my fibroids. So, let me know if you're going to try this recipe.